guys, welcome to our channel, and today I'm gonna draw a beautiful tulip. So yeah, firstly you have to make an U. Yeah, you have to write the letter U. Do the same thing for all those two flowers. I'm gonna draw two flowers actually, and here's the first petal. Okay, I will need those lines that I made, and I will obviously clean all the unwanted lines. Drawing a tulip is not so hard, you can do it within a minute, but I'm showing you slowly. I'm making a little difference between two flowers. Look, how easy, isn't it? It will look more realistic when I will color it. Now, the stem. All the stem done. Here, the leaf. The leaf of tulip flower is very beautiful. Basically, I like those very much, and I love coloring them also. Wow! And here I will make a large leaf. So I should start from here. Oh my gosh! And now one more large leaf that will come from behind of those flowers. Exactly what I wanted. Here I will make a tiny one. Okay, it's perfect. And now I'm removing all those unwanted parts that I don't need. Awesome. Okay, now it's color time. Oh my gosh, I really love these crayons. Let's use those crayons. Start with red. Like these crayons make a shade by itself. Look at this. We don't need to use other color to make shades. Wow. Darker than the others, because we need that. Do the same. Oh, here's a place left that I didn't mark, so I did it again and made the color. Do the same thing for the other parts too. Oh wow, all the petals done with red, just making it more darker. Oh my gosh, exactly what I wanted. Then using the green, obviously the dark green color, shouldn't fill all the leaf with this dark green. We should left some places for a light green color and a little yellow. That will make the leaf look so awesome. Just two more leaves left, the large one, I mean the second large one and the first, the largest one left. Yeah, I'm gonna fill the largest one with a dark green color. As that leaf is in the behind, so we should use the dark green more there. Okay, now it's time to fill the left part with a light green color. I don't know why I like this light green so much. Though I love the light green color so much, but I won't fill all the parts with light green. I left some places for yellow, cause we need yellow. Doing it carefully so that no color comes out from the border area. All done. Yellow. Yellow is an amazing color. It seems like it brings all the earths in life. It's highlighting time. I think I should do it faster. I'm highlighting this team and the left leaf. Just cleaning those unwanted marks. So yeah, my tulip is ready. If you like my video,